Hey guys, happy Halloween. Welcome to today's vlog. I am here with my friend Kevin.
Hi.
We are in Hollywood, California. It is Halloween time and we are doing something special. Can you tell the viewers what we're doing?
Well, today she did ask to collide two different really interesting cultures. So we're doing Day of the Dead makeup along with very Indian accents. We're really gonna make it really interesting today, very colorful, multi-dimensional makeup.
Well, let's get started.
Yeah.
Wow, it is coming together. Look at this, guys. You're amazing.
Yeah.
This is looking incredible, Kevin.
Amazing. Let's bindi it up right here.
I've never gone to a Day of the Dead event before, so this shall be interesting.
Welcome to Dia de los Muertos.
I am here at the famous Hollywood Forever Cemetery for the Day of the Dead event, which is an annual celebration. It's not actually the Mexican Halloween. It is part of the Mexican culture, and I will touch base on that once I get inside. So I decided to do a look from my two favorite countries, Mexico and India. As you can see, I am an Indian bride. So let's go check out the event. Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead, is a 2-day festival that takes place every November 1st and 2nd. Although most strongly identified with Mexico, Dia de los Muertos is celebrated throughout Latin America and everywhere with a Latino population, including LA.
Dia de los Muertos is a big celebration, cultural celebration. This is not Halloween. It's not celebrating Halloween. It's celebrating the dead.
Okay.
And to recognize that they're never gonna be dead if we always talk about them. We always celebrate their celebration.
Their spirit.
Their spirit. Yes.
Just one?
Yep.
Okay, have
Thank
fun.
you.
Bye, guys.
So I came by myself because tickets were so hard to get and I managed to score one. I'm fine because I can have an amazing time alone. Wow, check out this hearse. This is definitely old school. Dia de los Muertos honors the dead with festivals and lively celebrations, a typical Latin American custom that combines indigenous Aztec rituals with Catholicism, imposed by the region by the Spanish conquerors. Assured that the dead would be insulted by mourning or sadness, Dia de los Muertos celebrates the lives of the deceased with food, drink, parties, and activities the dead enjoyed in life. Dia de los Muertos recognizes death as a natural part of the human experience, a continuum with birth, childhood, and growing up to become a contributing member of the community. On Dia de los Muertos, the dead are also a part of the community, awakened from their eternal sleep to share celebrations with their loved ones.
Quiero regalarte todas mis canciones, quiero convertir en mías tus emociones, quiero yo gritar que te amo más de lo que nadie te amó. Quiero casarme contigo hasta el infinito, vivir nuestro amor. Luego llevarte conmigo a un mundo divino. Esta es tu canción y todos gritan.
Now we're here, there's gotta be what? At least 800 or 900 beautiful, beautiful people, about half of those gorgeous women, all of them really struggled to put themselves together and look sexy tonight.
Yes, we sure did.
Oh my goodness, there's no one here tonight who has exceeded you in glorious beauty, symmetry, and complete, absolute moonlight garden of the gods.
Oh,
Wonderful aura. Even Harley Quinn is a slouch compared to you, baby.
you fed my ego so lovely tonight. Thank you so much.
That's what I'm here for.
Oh my god, this is so brilliant. Now this grave is beyond amazing. This is the famous Johnny Ramone from the punk rock band, the Ramones. Incredible, look at this. Wow.
más triste cobarde.
Taco time!
Como la pastilla y no recuerdo cuándo. Todo esto no deja de perderse mientras lavas los platos. Luego te sientas en la mesa hablando del futuro de nosotros, de nuestros tampoco. Me pregunto en qué momento permitimos nos ganar la costumbre.